Hello everyone, want to manage appear on top permissions on your Android phone? Here's how to do that. So you may want to manage that kind of permissions if you want to use your websites while scrolling through something else, or maybe if you have YouTube Premium and you're wondering why this little YouTube window is not appearing up. So here how you manage those permissions. Open up your settings. There we are. Now scroll down to your apps section. Here in apps, we gotta find our special app access. That's what we need. Here we got locate display over our apps. On some other phones, it may be called appear on top. So locate display over other apps. And here, locate the desired application which you're gonna be using, for example, YouTube. So let me tap on the switch. Also, once again, with the YouTube case, I recommend you also to activate picture-in-picture. So it is allowed. Great. Now, basically that's it. You can open up your YouTube, for example, or any other website. Let's open up the video. And now, as you see, this little screen is right on our main screen. We can make it bigger, we can make it smaller, we can pause it, flip the videos, and do whatever we want with it. Basically, that is it. I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.